Good evening to all of you. Welcome to your channel Speak with Darbhanga. Today I'm going to ask some questions to some students, and the question is about spelling, pronunciation, and if you want to know the Hindi meaning or English meaning of any word, how would you ask? So I'll show you. Let's get started. What's your name?
So my name is Sonu.
So what do you do?
So I'm a student. Currently, I'm doing graduation from LNMU.
And where are you from?
I am from CISO Darbhanga.
Okay. So I'm going to ask some questions. Will you answer?
Yes, I will definitely.
Okay. My first question is that how do you say love in Hindi?
So there are lots of word of love in Hindi, like pyar, mohabbat,
Yeah.
lots of word.
Okay. So who do you love?
I don't know.
You love nobody.
I love my mother actually and my all my family member.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question is that what is hate called in Hindi?
Hate.
Yeah, hate. Hate.
Yeah, hate means nafrat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who do you hate?
No, so I don't hate anyone. Anyone.
No one.
No.
Who hates you?
Maybe there are lots of people, but I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question is how do you pronounce Leopard?
Leopard.
Okay, I repeat Leopard.
Uh, it pronounced leopard.
Leopard.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what is it?
So in Hindi, tendua.
Okay.
If I say in Hindi, tendua.
What is Tendua?
So it looks like a tiger, but it's not exactly tiger.
It is from a cat family.
Yeah, it belongs to cat family.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is superstition?
So superstition, people having basically in superstition there is no logic. If you want to find logic, you won't find.
So you mean to say that superstition cannot be explained by logic?
Yeah, you can't explain it.
Okay. And how do you spell out mosque? Mosque, you know, masjid.
Yeah, I know. Mosque, Mosque, mosque.
Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to ask to another student. What's your name?
My name is Anjali.
Anjali, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Where are you from?
I'm from Darbhanga itself.
So are you ready for answer?
Yeah.
Okay. My first question is that what is hippopotamus? Oh, sorry. What is hippopotamus called in Hindi?
I think Genda.
Is it
Yeah, I think it is Genda, but I also not confirm.
Genda and Daryai Gora? It's all the same.
I don't know sir, about the Hindi word actually.
Okay. What is hippopotamus?
Yeah.
It is a type of wild animal that is a very fatty.
Okay. And where it is found?
Of course, in forest.
Forest. Yes.
Yes.
It is forest.
But nowadays people
Or
are
river or near river.
river, but river is belongs to forest actually. Yeah, you can't find like hippopotamus in local river.
Okay. The next question is how do you say lahsun in English?
Garlic.
Garlic. And how does it taste like?
I have no idea.
Do you like this?
Yeah, if we add.
Have you ever seen it?
Yeah,
Where?
in my kitchen.
Okay. Okay, next question is how do you spell out Q? Q means Qatar, line, you know. Q.
Queue.
Okay. Who is a theist?
A theist who believes in God.
Okay. Are you a theist?
Actually, I'm in the middle of a theist and an atheist.
Oh. So you don't believe in God?
Actually, sometimes I believe, but sometimes in my mind there is a logic why I believe.
Okay.
That's
How do you pronounce Apple?
apple.
Apple. And what is it?
It is fruit.
What kind of fruit? Sour, sweet.
It's a sweet fruit.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
How often do you eat an apple?
What?
How often do you eat an apple?
In morning.
How often? How often do you eat an apple?
So it's very rare I eat actually
Why?
because I don't eat fruit actually for some medical reason.
Should we eat apple?
Yes, we should actually.
What is the advantage of it?
So in apple there are lots of I think acid and ammonic like acid. I don't know exactly, but if you eat then it will benefit you actually.
Okay. So as you saw, I asked some questions to two students and they answered well. So if you want to ask any questions in English, you can use this way. Thank you.